Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your December card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month and it will include everything you need to create 6 cards minimum, but you get lots more products so that you can make a lot more. But there are 6 card bases, 6 envelopes, and then this month we are featuring the Doodlebug Fun at the Park collection. So this is kind of a nod to a specific theme park. Perfect for birthdays and celebrations or visiting parks. So you're going to get 1 sheet of black basil cardstock, a sheet of red, and then 2 sheets of 100-pound white cardstock. So these are super heavy. They're heavy enough you could use them as card bases or just use them as the front panels to your cards. Then we're going to look at the patterned paper next. So you're going to get half a pack of the 6x6 paper pad. So this one has lots of the park icons from food to rides. The back is a castle print with fireworks in the blue, and then we have fireworks in the red, yellow, and blue on black. The back of it is a 2-toned yellow star print, and then we have a white on red polka dot. The back has little hearts and stars and squares. Then we have this page that's all of these little tags. This is perfect to cut out and use for the fronts of your cards for the sentiments. It's just super adorable, makes them quick and easy. The back of that one just has blank tags. So if you don't like the icons and stuff on this one, you can stamp on this, which we'll get to the stamp here in a minute. Then we have a striped. And the back of it is this fun paper that's for journaling, ledger, or stamping sentiments. You could also put it on the inside of the card to write your little note in. That would be super cute. This paper is like a park map. The back is a plaid in the red, yellow, and blue. Then we have a black and white stripe. And the back of it is all of the little icons in a postage stamp design. And then we have a bigger kind of block design. The back of it is little postcards, so you could use this all together or kind of individually cut them out for embellishments. Then we have small dots in the red, yellow, and blue, and black. The back of it is this small square print. Again, lots of icons, lots of words, and ways that you can use that. Then we have a camera print. It says "Say Cheese." The back of it is a film strip, perfect to cut apart and use as borders. Then we have the teacups. The back of it is a 2-toned red with a heart print. And then we have the stars in the red, yellow, blue, and white on black along with gray. And the back of it is a border print. Again, lots of great icons, the monorail, tickets, the teacups. Super cute. So you have lots of patterns to create your cards with. To start with the embellishing, you're going to receive 1/4 a pack of the bits and pieces. So these will vary. I have some balloons and some tags and some circle shapes and some tabs. Super cute. You're also going to receive 1/6 a pack of the Doodlebug jewels. So these will vary in color. I got the gold ones or yellow. And then you're going to get a roll of washi tape. And this is the white with on the red polka dot. And then you're going to receive a Lawn Fawn tiny tag saying stamp. So it has the happy birthday, hip hip hooray, happy birthday to you, happy B-day, and it has to and from, a small little heart, and then love. So lots of cute little sayings that you can use to stamp on your cards. So that is the December card kit. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see the inspiration of what the design team has done with their card kit, as well as your fellow subscribers. Check out all the other kits we have available, as well as individual items in the store. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.